myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic in introductions of trigonometries are ratios of some specific angles. We already done sin theta, cos theta, cosec theta, sec theta, tan theta and con theta by given right angle triangle. Now first we introduce its formula and then its value for specific angles. So I introduce its formulas first. So your sin theta and cos theta are original trigonometric ratios and other one are obtained from these two. How? I understand here. First is cosec theta. Cosec theta is inverse of sin theta. So you can write cosec theta formula is 1 upon sin theta. Because we know inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So inverse of sin theta by 1 is 1 upon sin theta. That's why cosec theta formula is 1 upon sin theta. Second is sec theta. Sec theta is inverse of cos theta. So cosec theta formula become 1 upon cos theta. Third is tan theta. Tan theta is ratio of sin and cos. So you can write its formula is sin theta upon cos theta. And fourth is cot theta. So cot theta is a ratio of cos and sin. So its formula is cos theta upon sin theta. Now let us consider this theta's value for some specific given angles. We all know complementary angles. Complementary angle means those angles whose additions is 90 degree. So here 0 and 90 are complementary of each other. 30 and 60 are complementary of each other. And 45 itself complementary of each other because 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. That's why its complementary is on itself. Now this is your theta's value and this is your trigonometric ratios. Now how you can easily remember these theta's values without root learning? So you should be make here pair of 2. So I make pair of sin and cosec because sin and cosecs are inverse of each other. I make pair of cos and sec theta because these also are inverse of each other. And tan and cot theta. Similarly, in angles, I take pair of complementary angles. So these two, and this is on itself. Now, sin 0's values is 0. Sin 90 value is 1. Sin 30 value is half. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 value is 1 upon root 2. You can remember only this row and other row you can find this way. Whatever sin 0 value it becomes cosec. Whatever sin 0 value is inverse become cosec value. So 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Same way 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Similarly, inverse of this 1 upon 1 by 2 which is equal to 2. Similarly, 1 upon root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 upon root 3. Similarly, 1 upon root 2 which is equal to root 2. Now, cos theta and sec theta's value. Whatever sin 0's value, it becomes cos 90's value. So you write this 0 here. And whatever sin 90's value is, it becomes cos 0's value. So you should write 1 here. Same thing happen here. Whatever sin 30's value, it becomes cos 60's value. So you write this 1/2 here. Whatever sin 60 value, it becomes cos 30 value. So you write this thing is here. Root 3 by 2. And sin 45 and cos 45 are same. So you can write here 1 upon root 2 as it is. Now same way apply here. Inverse of this 1 upon 1 is 1. 1 upon 0 is infinity. 1 upon root 3 by 2, that means denominator become numerator. So 2 by root 3. This is 1 upon 2. So this is 2. This is 1 upon root 2. So this is root 2. Now for tan. We know tan is a ratio of sine and cos. So ratio of tan 0 are sine 0 and cos 0. So tan 0 is equal to cos sine 0 upon cos 0. That means 0 by 1. So it is 0. Same way tan 90 is equal to sine 90 upon cos 90. So 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Same way tan 30 is equal to sine 30 upon cos 30. So 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So 1 upon root 3. Same way tan 60 is equal to sine 60 upon cos 60. So root 3 by 2 upon 1 upon 2. 2 cancel. So root 3 by 1, that means root 3. Tan 45 is equal to cos sine 45 upon cos 45. So 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2. So this is become a 1. Cot theta is a reverse or inverse of tan. So this is 0. So inverse of this is 1 by 0. So infinitive. This is 1 upon infinitive. So it becomes 0. Here 1 upon root 3. So this is root 3. Same way this is 1 upon root 3. It's 1 itself 1 upon root 3. And this is 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. So you can remember this way easily all values. You can remember only one row, sin theta 0. Sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1, sin 30 is half, and sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Then cosec theta is a inverse of sin, and cos theta adds the sin 0's value become cos 90's value, and sin 90's value become cos 0's value. Similarly for 30, 60 and 45 are values same. And now in example solving, put these all value and solve these examples in second video. Thank you.